Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Ver2 Toys channel. Okay, yes, I'm going to take you off the cradle for a little bit. Here we go. Yes, 8 new arrivals actually. So 9 cars that you see here. Okay, they are not the same. You see the silver R34 and the silver R34, right? They're actually not the same. Okay, so these 3 are new arrivals. Okay, 8 in total new arrival. This is a previous release I've shown you guys before, but why is it in short? Because of all the R34s. Maybe I can say this: the Z-Tune complete in air quotes complete variant. I do have the test car, the R34 test car. Okay, this is the IG number 3638. Okay, this is actually the Z-Tune test 2004 in Suzuka. IG number 3638. Okay, this one does have that front matte black, okay, look to it, and it doesn't have that side skirt. Okay, so this is actually the test version. This is very nice. I like it, but unfortunately I can't keep everything. So there is a little bit of indication which one I'm keeping, which I'm not. Okay, so this is the test version, and then comes the, I'm gonna move them aside. This guy. So this is actually a limited edition web special release. Sorry about the noise outside. Hopefully my microphone is working okay, that you guys can hear me clearly. This is IG number 3296. Okay, Nismo R34 GTR Z-Tune. This is the prototype. Okay, so first the test and then the prototype. All right, I'll probably do a separate video if they're still around. Okay, because I can't afford to keep all of them. If it's still around, hopefully, you know, will have a chance to do a comparison video for all 4 of them actually. Okay, that's the proto, and then this. Okay, this is the previous release. This IG number 3224, regular release. So as you can see, this would be the Z-Tune Silver. Okay, so this Z-Tune, there's only 20 examples of this in the world, making it really very rare. All right, so this would be the release version. As you can see, the more obvious difference would be that red seats in there, okay, which did not show up in the other 2. The test car had the Recaro seats, prototype has a bright seats, okay, and the Z-Tune has the red steering as well. All right, that, and then I have the Clubman Racing. So this is again another special release. This is IG number 3222, Nismo Nissan Skyline GTR Nismo R34 CRS Clubman Racing special. I think is that what it's called, special? I'm trying to recall what the S stands for. There, Clubman Racing spec. Okay, so it does have a special plaque, and you can see that red lining because this is a special release that comes together with the engine. Okay, engine number would be engine IG number 3498, the RB26 R2 engine in gun metallic. So let's see, I haven't got it out yet, so some of these engines are prone to damage in delivery, like my DC5 engine previously. Yeah, I got a part of it that was broken off. So this one looks good, very nice. Love the engine details on this thing. Nice. So it comes with a stand, of course. I'm not going to take it out because there's quite a lot of cars to cover this time around. Okay, so that's the R34s. Okay, that I can tell you about. And then there is the 2 Evos. Okay, I'm going to move it aside. 2 Evos. These Evos actually, it's a little bit closer to, it feels a little bit closer to me, but I won't be able to keep them as well, because my mom used to own a Proton Vira, and in Malaysia, Proton is a Malaysian car, as I think most of you guys know, because of Hot Wheels. So during those times, right, there are a lot of people who take the Proton Vira and will convert it into an Evo 3. Okay, and up until today, you will see the Malaysia car culture scene, right? There are still quite a few around and still running. Okay, so particularly this guy, my mom's Wira, is in white. So the first thing that hits me is actually that door handle. It's exactly the same as the Proton Wira, because the Proton Wira is basically I'm gonna say it's a derivative from the Lancer, the third generation. So that's why it does share some similarity, especially because I believe the Proton Wira actually used the chassis from this Lancer. Okay, so it's actually a very very nice Evo 3, the CE9A. Nice, very nice details on this thing. Oh, look at the front, beautiful. Okay, so that's in white. This is IG number 3549 Lancer Evolution 3 GSR. Okay, in white. And then I have the yellow variant as well. Now the yellow variant kind of relates back to Jackie Chan, one of Jackie Chan's movie, where he has, of course, in that movie it has more decals, but this yellow does somewhat relate back there. Both share the same set of rims, the OZ 5-spoke. Okay, Lancer Evo 3. This would be IG number 3551. Okay, so I'm going to show you the rear, and you can see that exhaust tip. Nice, very very nice. Okay, and now I'll show you the front as well. Here we go. All right, so the two Evos and this guy. So recently, IG is going a little bit crazy on some top secret models. So this will be my first top secret from this season of top secret releases from IgnitionModel, the Nissan Z. So this will be number IG3380. Okay, Fair Lady RZ34. Okay, licensed by Nissan as well. As you can see, the carbon fiber work on this thing is really very nice. Interior details are beautiful as well. Very nice gold paint. Okay, separate front, and we check out the rear. I really like that big spoiler, the big wing. Okay, carbon fiber, nice. Okay, and then the last two would be that two RWBs. So this is actually this RWB. Quick shout out to Hui, that shared, quite a fair bit of information on these two of RWBs. Helped me to really save time on my homework. I'll put a link to his Instagram below in the description, so make sure you give him a follow. Okay, he's based in Vietnam, but you can just ask him anything about RWB. He can actually answer you. Okay, and yeah, so a huge shout out to Hui. Thank you so much for sharing information with me. And I will be doing a separate episode to cover a few RWBs, so do stay tuned for that. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you don't miss on any of my other scale model videos. I'm just doing this a very quick one, so it may not cover everything that Hui actually shared with me, because I plan to share that in that other RWB video. Okay, so this is actually RWB. It didn't have a name. It was built in Japan around 2023, and 2024 it was sold to UK. So right now it's based in the in UK. All right, it's still in the same color. All right, still in the same color. So this is a very nice 930 RWB. Okay, check out the rear. So this tail lights is to me, this is the first time I've seen this design. Okay, so this would be a IG number 3619 RWB 930 in purple. I think it's closer to violet. Okay, and then there is the RWB Hinata, another RWB 930. Okay, this will be IG number 3621. So the name Hinata actually, during build, of course, it's not there. Then the owner actually installed it, and right now the more recent photos, right, I think he actually removed it already. Okay. So Hinata was actually built in May 2023, based in Spain. Okay, part of a mega build of 3 RWBs at one go. So yeah, this is based in Spain. So feeling a little bit under the weather. And so this is just the general story of these two RWBs. I will be talking about it a little bit more in a separate video. And yeah, this is the massive initial model arrivals this week. Okay, so there are some that will be available. I think you can tell RWB, I will be keeping it for a while. I will be keeping the Clubman, the CRS as well. I really like that it comes with the engine. The rest, with the price tag, yes, it's available for sale. You can check it out through Collector's Qube. Okay, walk in, or they can ship international as well. Do drop them a message on Facebook. What else? I think that's it for this time around. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you don't miss on any of my other scale model videos. Hit the like button because that'll help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.